Students, how are you all? I hope you are all are fine in your homes. So students, we will come to the topic, the word problems of subtraction. Children, subtraction word problems are easy to solve, just as addition word problems. You can look for the terms to identify the subtraction word problems. Difference, second one remaining, left, borrow, minus. For solving word problems, we take these steps. Step 1. Read and understand what do I need to find out. Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. Decide the operation to be used. Step 4. Finally solve the problem. Okay students, now we'll come to the exercise 2.4. Word problems on subtraction. Question 1. A factory produced 1535798 bulbs in 2015 and 2285905 bulbs in 2016. Find the increase in the production of bulbs. So students, how will we find the increase in the production of bulbs? First of all, we will subtract bulbs produced in 2015 from the bulbs produced in 2016. So our answer goes like this. Solution. Here we will subtract. We cannot subtract 8 from 5. So we'll borrow 1 from here. But we can never borrow anything from number 0. We will move on to next number, that is 9. And 9 will become 8. And this 0 will become 9. And 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. Here we again here on the top it is smaller number and below it is a bigger number. We can't subtract 5 from 2. So we'll take a borrow 1 from here. It will become 1 and the 2 will become 12. 12 minus 5, it is 7. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our increase in the production of bulbs is 750107. Now students, will move on to the question number 2nd. What is the question number 2nd? Sum of the two numbers is 3798905. If one of the numbers is 890905, find the other number. So students, here we have to find the other number. So sum of the two numbers is 37. We will subtract the one number from the sum of both the two numbers. 379, sum of the two numbers is 3798905. One of the numbers is 890905. Here 5 minus 5, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 9, it is 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. Now here it is 8. We can't subtract 8 from 7. So we have to make it 17 by borrowing 1 from here, and it will become 2. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 2 minus 0, 2. Other number is 2908000. Okay students, we will move on to the question number 4. What should be added to 287098 so that the sum becomes 309103? Okay, our solution goes like this. Here we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number, 287098 from 309103. Okay, we have written the answer in the solution, the column form. While doing the solution, we can't subtract 8 from 3, so we will have to carry 1 from here, but we can never borrow anything from 0. We have to move on to this number. This will become 0 and this will become 9 and this will become 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And this again we can't subtract 8 from 0. So we'll make it 10 by borrowing 1 from here. It will become 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the number which should be added. So the solution becomes this. Now students, we will do the sixth question. The population of a city was 372,8205 in 2017, and in 18 it became 372,9519. Find the increase in the population. We have to subtract the population in 2017 from the population in 2018. We will write like this: 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Increase in the population is 1314. So students, we'll do the 8th question now. Vijay's van travelled 137,825 kilometers in 2016. Rahim's van travelled 140,207 kilometers in same year. How many kilometers Rahim van travelled more than Vijay? Okay, now we have to subtract Vijay's van travel from Rahim's van travel, because it is the greater number. We will subtract the greater number, smaller number from the greater number. Okay, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Here it is 0, we can't subtract 2 from 0, we have to make it 10. By borrowing 1 from here, it will become 1 and it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. And again, we can't subtract 8 from 1. We have to take a carry from here and it will become 9. It will become 11. We can't take borrow from here, we have to borrow from here. It will become 3 and this number will become 9 and this will become 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So our answer, how many kilometers? Rahim's van travel more than Vijay. This much of kilometers Rahim van travel more than Vijay. Okay student, these questions are your homework. Question number 3, question 5, question 7, question 9, question 10. Okay, thank you students. Good luck.